Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to upload files on Vercel using their drop feature. This works on any web browser. Open your browser and go to vercel.com/drop in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a heading that says drag and drop a file, a folder, or .zip to deploy, with a drop zone in the middle of the screen. Now upload your project files. You can drag and drop a file, folder, or .zip file directly onto that drop zone, or if you prefer, click the Choose a File or Folder button and select what you want to upload. As soon as you do, you'll see a File Upload Progress indicator appear, followed by a Project Configuration screen. On that configuration screen, if you're part of multiple teams on Vercel, you'll see a Team Selector dropdown. Click that and choose which team you want to deploy to. If you only have a personal account, this might already be selected or it might not show up at all. Next, find the project name input field and type in a name for your project. This name becomes part of your deployment URL, so pick something that makes sense. Now, if you're uploading a static site that doesn't have an index.html file at the top level, you'll see a drop-down labeled root with a / in brackets. Click that drop-down and choose which page should load when someone visits your site's root URL. You can also select No Root Page if you don't want a home page. Just be aware that means the root will return a 404, though each file will still be accessible at its own path. If you do have an index.html file, or you're uploading a framework project like Next.js, you won't see this option at all. Finally, look for the Deploy button. It's usually towards the bottom right or center of the configuration screen. Click Deploy. Vercel will show you a build progress screen with the deployment status, and within moments your site goes live. Once deployment finishes, you'll get a live production URL you can share immediately. Keep in mind that each drop creates a brand new project. If you want to update this site later, you'll either need to drop it again or connect a Git repository to the project for automatic deployments on every push.